Hey class, here's our 5 fast things for the week. First things first, Hamilton! If you missed the assembly, you should go watch the recording. I've linked it in the email or class news, whichever you're watching this from. If you want a chance to get a free ticket for work you're already going to be doing in class, and if you're an 11th grader, then you should apply to be one of the students who gets to go. Number 2, our detailed outlines are due on Wednesday, March 21st by 5 p.m. I've linked a how-to video here, so if you need some help, check it out. Number 3, extra credit. You can submit extra credit to me via email by Tuesday, March 20th. I probably won't input it into the gradebook right away because I'm grading all the things, but you can use your library card, free rice, or submitting your work for publication extra credit options every term. I offer them once per term, terms 1 through 4, so if you haven't done it yet for term 3, do it now, especially if you checked something out of the library for your research assignment. You may as well double up on those points, right? It's like free points. I'm just trying to get everybody to have a library card and use it. So, number 4 is spring break, March 23rd through 30th. Once you've turned in your detailed outline for this class, you're good. Like our class is done after that detailed outline. So make sure that you get that turned in. And for our class, you're good to go. Assuming you get good feedback and that you did it correctly, right? So keep an eye out for a grade from me and then log off. And then number 5, last but not least, the first day of term 4 is April 2nd. We are going to be up in our game when it comes to attending live class, or if you're on yellow or blue track, whatever that applies to for you, right? So I'm not really sure how this is going to look yet. We've talked about it in class a little bit, but those of you who come don't really need the motivation, do you? So I'm going to come up with some form of requiring attendance and rewarding those who do come, because we've got to up our game. So heads up, that's happening. Just be aware. I should remind you for Hamilton, if you do apply, the deadline to apply is this Friday, March 23rd. So that's coming up. If you're sitting thinking about it, just do it. If you need some more details, watch that assembly recording, or just email me if you need a pep talk. I'll tell you you're awesome and that you can do it. So there you go. Have a great week. I'll see you in class tomorrow, Tuesday.